in the realm of Islamic service and welfare. Maulana Ilyas Qadri stands as a beacon of light, illuminating paths of knowledge, compassion, and prosperity. Through his visionary leadership, Dawat Islami has flourished, spanning across 80 plus departments and reaching over 80 countries worldwide. Let's delve into the remarkable achievements of Maulana Ilyas Qadri, a testament to his unwavering dedication to the cause of Islam. Maulana Ilyas Qadri's pen has been a mighty weapon for spreading religious enlightenment, with over 100 books and hundreds of poetic compositions to his credit. He revolutionized the media landscape by launching Madani Channel, a platform broadcasting the message of Islam in multiple languages, transcending geographical barriers. Under the guidance of Maulana Ilyas Qadri, Madaris were established, known as Madrasatul Madina, operating globally with over 5,000 campuses and a student body exceeding 2.5 million. Additionally, Maulana Ilyas Qadri initiated Darul Uloom, named Jamiatul Madina, dedicated to disseminating knowledge through its 1,000 plus campuses. Currently, it boasts an enrollment of 88,000 students, with over 16,000 having successfully graduated. Through Faizan Online Academy, he initiated virtual learning, offering 30 courses in 76 countries, benefiting over 21,000 students through its 47 branches and the expertise of more than 2,400 teachers. The academy has witnessed approximately 46,834 students successfully completing their studies. Maulana Ilyas Qadri founded Darul Ifta Ahle Sunnat, operating across 12 branches and answering over 15,000 questions monthly. Moreover, he established the Islamic Research Center, collaborating with 121 Islamic scholars under 23 sub-departments. This initiative has produced 1,207 books and booklets, with 707 already published. Furthermore, Maulana Ilyas Qadri initiated the translation department dedicated to translating religious texts into over 46 languages. Maulana Ilyas Qadri founded Maktabatul Madina, a publishing department with over 100 outlets worldwide. He initiated a specialized department dedicated to providing religious education for individuals with disabilities, ensuring the dissemination of Holy Quran and Sunnah among this community. Maulana Ilyas Qadri founded the department Khuddamul Masajid, constructing about 600 mosques in a year. His humanitarian efforts under FGRF have provided relief during crisis, from blood donation drives to flood relief and rehabilitation. During the COVID-19 pandemic, FGRF gathered more than 84,000 bottles of blood to aid patients, especially children battling thalassemia and other blood disorders. Additionally, FGRF embarked on a tree plantation campaign in 2021, planting over 3 million saplings. In the 2022 flood crisis across Pakistan, FGRF allocated 20 million rupees daily for relief efforts, aiding 100,000 flood victims daily with food, distributing provisions to 100,000 families, and providing temporary shelters with 2,000 tents. They also distributed clothing, shoes, and medicine. To expedite relief, FGRF established over 600 relief camps nationwide. Under the guidance of Maulana Ilyas Qadri, FGRF launched Madani Clinic for affordable healthcare, Faizan rehabilitation centers in Karachi, Lahore, and Faisalabad for addiction treatment, and Madani Home for parentless children, offering housing and education. FGRF completed over 4,000 water projects, including hand pumps and tube wells in Thar and South Punjab. Maulana Ilyas Qadri founded Darul Madina Islamic Education System in 2011, currently working with 110 plus campuses in Pakistan and abroad. It has launched its colleges in Faisalabad and a recognized university in Islamabad approved by HEC. Darul Madina prioritized growth with affordable fees to accommodate middle-income families. Through his tireless endeavors, Maulana Ilyas Qadri has left an indelible mark on humanity, embodying the true spirit of Islamic service and compassion. His journey is a testament to the transformative power of faith and dedication, inspiring generations to come.